Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a comment box field color using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and I will change this comment box field color. Click on this comment option and this right sidebar. Click this left arrow. Now click on this comment box and see this comment box default color showing here. You can add any default field color and border color, or right click on this comment box and select properties and click on the appearance option and this field color option. Here you can change the comment box field color. Also you can add other custom color and see this. And also you can make this field color transparent. Also you can change this border color. See this. In this way you can change all of your comment boxes field color. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and